So here you go, guys. Looked all over the internet, can't find anything going on as far as the slash cut Cobra exhaust on these vt1100c2s. This is an 05. Picked it up dirt cheap, only 4,000 miles on it. I know this video is many years from when this vehicle was made, but like I said, can't find anything on it. The bike already has been rejetted. I got 165 in the front, 170 in the rear. Also changed the pilot jet because the original owner did the whole saw cut conversion on the stock exhaust, and it was popping real bad when I got the bike and rejetted it, and it was still popping. So I changed pilot from the stock 42 up to a 45. And let's hear how it runs. This is with the stock pipe, hole sawed and rejetted. Cold start, no choke. Now it's time, I'm going to change the pipes over. I'll be back with you in a minute and let you hear how it sounds with the Cobra slash cuts. I'm kind of excited about it, so let's find out. Alright, so now we're back. After we just got done putting new pipes on. See if I can reach this. One thing I did forget to mention, when you do this, there is a gasket in there. The gasket must be changed. I had new gaskets laying around because of the popping, and I figured if the jetting didn't take care of it, then I was going to change the gaskets. However, the jetting took care of the backfire, or after fire as everybody says, because it's on D-cell. So I went down to the shop, and I ended up getting this here. You need 2 of those gaskets in order to replace. Obviously 2 pipes, 2 gaskets. All in all, between taking beverage breaks and trying to find the tools that I need because I'm really unorganized, it took about an hour and a half in order to put this on from start to finish. Directions are straightforward regardless what anybody says. It tells you your third step, I think it is, tells you put the muffler bracket together first. Instead of putting your head pipes on and trying to fit everything together, because it is getting tight back at the swing arm. So all in all, happy with the installation. Easy installation if you have any kind of general knowledge on how to do it. If you ever put saddlebags on or a sissy bar on your bike, this is pretty much straightforward. One other thing I do want to mention, as with all chrome accessories, do not heat them up without wiping all your fingerprints and everything off. Otherwise it will burn into what they end up putting on it as far as wax, and you will never get rid of them without scrubbing the living hell out of it. So here we go, first start up since putting the new pipes on. In conclusion, I think it sounds great. That's with baffles in. I don't think I'm going to pull the baffles out. Otherwise, you'd have to wear earplugs, and it's kind of pointless in order to wear earplugs when you're on a bike with exhaust, in my opinion. Neighbors are definitely going to hear you coming. So we'll take it out on a road trip, and if I have to update, I'll update. Y'all have a good, safe one. Keep the rubber side down.